What's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. Today is May the 14th. We are out here in Houston, Georgia. So we got a special project today. This is a repeat client, Mr. and Mrs. Bunn. They used me about 4 months ago. I think it was back in about 4 or 5 months ago. We did their wood floors. We did wax removal, screen to recoat, and UV cure. So today, guys, I am doing some countertops clean, buff, and polish. This is a new service that I'm going to be offering because I see countertops all the time and they're always dull, smudgy, dirty, and I have the knowledge now. I took a class to restore those countertops at a maintenance level. Okay, not a full restoration, just like my wood floors. Maintain the wood floors, not fully sand or replace them. So let me flip this around, guys, and show you what we got going today. All right, so we just left a small screen to recoat project in Swanee. Now we're out here in Houston, and these are the floors that we did months back for Mr. and Mrs. Bunn. This is the first time I've seen the house furnished. Beautiful home. They had Christian, my guys that I recommend to move the furniture. So we did a wax removal on these floors. Floors look amazing. Beautiful home. So check it out, guys. So I just did a little demo area, show you what we're doing. So this are their countertops, and I can see the difference from here. So I taped off an area, okay, and what we're doing, we taped off the refrigerator, anything stainless steel, taped it off. So guys, if you look really close, her countertops are just dull, okay, probably from like hard water deposits and just never being taken care of. All right, and we're going to be doing all of this area right here, over here, and a little area over there, and this long area right here is a built-in table. But guys, if you look really close, you can see the part that I didn't do and the part that I did do, and look at that. That is a difference. It's like glass. Wow, look at that, guys. So I just taped that area off. Okay, I'm going to show this to Miss Bunn, and we're going to complete the rest of this. Okay, so this is just some of our chemistry, also our tools that we have for this. But I've already done this part right here, and you can just see. Look at that. Look at the difference. Wow. It's like the light is almost not even reflecting that much on this side compared to this side. Oh, wow. Wow. All right, guys, so we're going to finish up. All right, stay tuned. So look at the part I did and the part I haven't done.
Oh, I can see
You see it right there? See there? Yep.
Oh, man.
Look at that.
Difference.
Huge difference.
Yeah, big difference. Yeah, that's going to be pretty.
It's going to be pretty.
Yeah, so it gets all that.
Yep.
Especially up in there with
Oh, yep.
roughness.
No, the roughness. Yeah, okay, it feel gritty and rough. All the little water deposits.
Yeah.
That's a huge difference.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yes, ma'am. Awesome. Okay. Oh, thank you. All right, guys. If you see the difference, see that? See all the water deposits and the floor, not the floors, I'm sorry. The countertops are just really dull. See all that smudge? But go over here to the part I just did and look at that. Look at that beautiful finish. See that? All right, guys, look at this now. This is the finished product. Wow, just of this part right here. But look at this. I'm going to show you something. Watch when I walk into the light. You see the chandelier? Now the chandelier is right there. See that? Look at that. Now watch this when I walk to the part we haven't done. You can barely see it. Whoa. So we haven't done none of this yet. It looks really cloudy, hazy. You can see all those marks on it. Look at that difference. Look at that. Woo! All right, guys, I'm gonna let Tavares get some. Now I will say though, this thing does work your hand. Wow. All right, guys, so go back to the beginning of the video. Remember the part I showed you where you could see the chandelier on this side, the chandelier? Now remember, you couldn't see it over here. Now look, now you can see the chandelier. Remember, you could not see that at first. Now you can see the chandelier. Huge difference. And it feels different. Yep. All right, guys, and there it is. Nice, clean, buffed and polished countertops. I must say, it actually made a huge improvement than I thought it would. I mean, you can actually look at the guy. You get to see the chandeliers. You cannot see that before. We did these right here. Take off the tape. Yep. Tape and mask everything off. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Even Tavares. I mean, guys, like right here, see the chandelier reflection? You can barely see that.
And it had a tan color.
Yep. Yep, okay, it was dirty. Probably the first time it's ever been professionally cleaned and buffed. Wow. Oh my God, look at all that reflection, guys. All right.
Yeah.